You know your product inside and out, but keeping track of your product once it leaves the manufacturing site presents a challenge for brands and retailers across the world. With global manufacturing sites and multiple selling regions, the retail supply chain is complex. RFID shines a spotlight on your inventory and gives you accurate visibility across your entire supply chain. And our Global Service Bureau capabilities, combined with world-class quality, ensure that we'll always deliver. Our in-plant printing solutions give you the flexibility you need to fulfill last-minute orders. With RFID, products are born digital at the point of manufacture and can then be seamlessly integrated into existing trims and packaging. Once it's applied to the product, you'll have access to item-level data that keeps you up to date on where inventory is within the supply chain. You'll then have the power to accurately manage orders and shipments. RFID automates your pack line so that both the garment manufacturer and retailer can be confident that every order is packed accurately as it starts its journey in the supply chain. That means retailers can leverage omni-channel inventory availability earlier to meet consumer demand. RFID tags are read automatically at regular points across the supply chain so that you can easily track shipments and receive electronic proofs of delivery. And you can be assured the right products are in the box without even looking inside. Now, the RFID tagged shipments are off for distribution. We get back what we put in, which is why we aim to be sustainable in everything we do. Our proprietary Smart Face technology makes our RFID solutions some of the most sustainable products on the market. By removing the PET layers found in the majority of RFID products and replacing it with a paper substrate, we are also able to reduce your environmental footprint. As the world's largest RAIN UHF RFID partner, and with over 800 patents and applications worldwide, we are always one step ahead of innovation. RFID looks after the little things in your supply chain so that you can see the big picture.